Hello, I'm Mihela. Today we talk about one of the few birds that hunt crabs. The Crab-Plover. The Crab-Plover is a bird related to the waders. Some have considered it to be closely related to the Thickneys or Prenticolis, while others have considered it closer to the auks and gulls. It is resident on the coasts and islands of the Indian Ocean, where it feeds on crabs and other small animals. They breed around the Arabian Sea, Gulf of Oman, and the Persian Gulf, Red Sea, and Somalia. Utterly unmistakable large shorebird, gleaming white adult has a black back, black flight feathers, and a very heavy dark bill, which is used to dispatch crustaceans and other invertebrates. Inhabits sandy beaches and shorelines as well as coral outcrops, rocky coasts, and mangroves. Forages in flocks, often giving raucous tern-like calls in flight. Their calls are like locally named Kakulu Oleviya. I have not seen the Crab-Plover. It is not necessarily a mangrove bird, but you do see them from time to time. Most hotels in Bentota arrange mangrove safaris into the Bentara River. This is a video of one of the mangrove safaris we did during our stay.